Hi there. So today we're going to see this new AR gun toy. This is our brand new model and we have many improvements on this one. So first, this is the suction cup plate, okay? So we can hold our phone very firmly on it. And other things we can see here, we have a trail to adjust the distance, okay? And other things like the joystick and other function buttons on the left side. Alright, so how to use it? First we need to download the app. Open the App Store and search AR Gun Game. And the first one is the app. Okay, download it, this app, and we open it. Okay, and pull the trigger and hold it to connect. We can see we have many games here to select. Okay, let's try this one, the spider. Okay, start the game. Alright. Okay, we can see the spiders and fire. Oh gosh. Alright, let's see others. So totally we have 12 games.
哦，这是电的。
那等一下，我去把这个卸了。